God says in Isaiah 33 that He is our constant source of stability in changing times.
And that out of His abundant love, He gives us the riches of His salvation, wisdom, and knowledge.
Many of you have been daily reaching for breakthrough
And overcoming obstacles that try to diminish the greatness that you carry.
Now is the time to rise up and be revealed. You were designed for this.
and you carry the solution to every world problem.
And we'd feel honored to launch you into this season.
Where you are releasing God's glory.
At your workplace, in your families, and to the nations.
You're invited to attend one of our upcoming conferences or workshops.
You learn how to release the gifting that's already inside of you.
And you'll be meeting others who you can collaborate with.
And you'll learn to put into action what you're hearing in the Spirit.
Let's get started in revealing the brilliant person that you are.